Hello everyone, I'm Hai Chao. I will show you a flagship product of Sunmi Technology V2 Pro. First of all, I'd like to talk to you about the POS machine we've seen before. They were heavy with single functions, unintelligent systems, lacked the appearance design sense about low-cost performance. We should change a little bit. Then this V2 Pro appeared. This is our specification with warranty card in it. And this is the real part of V2 Pro. Type-C data cable and the charger. 5.99 full screen has a great screen to body ratio. Meanwhile, we can see each information on the screen clearly at any time with the HD resolution ratio of 1440 multiplied by 720. A full screen and thin body appearance with the decoration of Sunmi orange make the device become vivid. Meanwhile, the thinnest place of V2 Pro is only 13 mm. It's really hard for a POS machine to be this thin, and it's also the thinnest product of Sunmi Technology up to now. Due to this thinness and the lightness, it is very comfortable to hold in your hands. What's more, the V2 Pro has a sloped edge at the bottom of the machine body, which makes it easy and convenient for waiters to place it in the pocket. We know that the commercial environment is an extremely complex scene which is crowded and noisy. Try to imagine the picture that our devices fall off onto the floor and cannot be used anymore. Isn't it a terrible experience for merchants? Aiming at this point, we've considered landing buffering in the industrial design of V2 Pro, which supports a 1 meter drop resistance. Meanwhile, there is a 5-degree angle between the code scanning head and the screen to prevent the full screen from landing directly when the device falls to the ground. In addition, the device enclosure adopts a double-shoot molding flexible glue to cover the whole body, guaranteeing good protection in all circumstances. Okay, let's take a look at the front side. We have an opening handle, NFC card reader, paper delivery exit of the printing machine, a power switch, volume key, and a Type-C port. Okay, let's switch on the device to have a look. We can set language, time zone, and internet according to the starting reminder. If you want to use the Wi-Fi, you can set Wi-Fi internet in this step. If you want to use a SIM card, you can just click on Install SIM card, open the card cover on the reverse side, insert the SIM card, and then click on Try again, that's all. After opening the cover of the printing device, you should put the printing paper in this direction. Remember, the printing device used by the V2 Pro is precision printer, which is very familiar to us. Matched with high-pressure printing head, the paper delivery is very fast with the speed of 30 mm press. We know that each Sunmi product has its own application market, like what we've seen while downloading games. We can download commercial use app. In the application market, where there are over 5,000 applications online with 15 million times of download, over 8,000 software merchants, and a coverage of over 100 application industrials. You can have a look and download if you are interested, and it is very easy and convenient. If there are too many background applications, you can close those needless ones like this or close all with this key. With the integration of code scanning, printing, and commodity code scanning, the V2 Pro can be used in various senses like payment. The V2 Pro can solve any problems easily. Faster speed, stronger functions, and wide application summarizes the features of the Sunmi V2 Pro. I believe that it will bring you a totally different experience. Okay, I'm Hai Chao. I will bring more and better Sunmi Unpack videos for you soon.